It's so great. I just can't believe it. I just can't believe it. But Dr. Vipul said that surgery is never done. I'm a barrister in London. I have been specially referred by Dr. Faris from London to come to India and do the surgery because Dr. Faris said they do only one knee at a time, and I run a very busy schedule in my life, so I thought let me do it in Bombay, and I was so happy to know Dr. Mullaji, and I don't know whether I'm allowed to say this or not. I liked his aura, I liked his divine energy, and I just decided to have a surgery. Friday I was admitted, Saturday morning was my surgery at 8:30 in the morning. I can't believe it. Efforts were made to walk on the same day. It was so wonderfully done. I can't believe the care I have been given here by Dr. Mullaji, his associates, his assistant doctors, and everybody at Bridge Candy. I can't believe that after doing surgery on Saturday, on Tuesday evening, I left the hospital for my 3 to 4 hours gap because I was attending and I was addressing about 32 delegates who came from all around the world. We had a wonderful session. Nobody could know that I had a surgery. Fantastic. I failed. When I came back, I was feeling upright. Fantastic. And today is only 4th day after Saturday. I feel so right that I can go home. I'm so ever grateful to Dr. Mullaji.
Just repeat what you said.
I'm very comfortable with it.
And today is the 3rd day.
Today is the 3rd day.
Let me see. Bend, sit cross-legged. Okay, that's very nice. And you're going to walk and show me?
Yes, I will.
आज कौन सा दिन है? दूसरा ना?
तीसरा।
हाँ, मतलब 48 आवर्स हो गए। 48 घंटे। 48 आवर्स। ओके।
आज मुझे बहुत फ़ायदा है, दर्द नहीं है और मैं अपने आप भी चली, पैदल करके आई।
और दोनों साथ में किए?
दोनों घुटने मैंने एक साथ किए हैं।
वो आप एडवाइस करते हैं दोनों करना है या एक के बाद एक करना चाहिए?
नहीं, मैं चाहती हूँ कि दोनों एक साथ हो, अगर दोनों में प्रॉब्लम है तो, क्योंकि रिकवरी भी दोनों एक साथ हो जाती है। एंड आई फील मच बेटर। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आज मुझे।
ये दोनों घुटने का ऑपरेशन हमारा एक साथ हुआ है और कुल अभी तक 48 घंटे इस वक्त पूरे हो रहे हैं और मैं अपने दोनों पैरों से बगैर किसी सपोर्ट के चल पा रहा हूँ। ये हमें खुद हैरत हो रही है कि इस तरह का करिश्मा हुआ है, हमें विश्वास नहीं था। मगर अरुण मुल्ला जी के बारे में लोगों ने बताया था कि आप वहाँ जाइए और वे पूरे देश में क्या दुनिया में मानी जानी शख्सियत हैं, आप उनसे संपर्क करिए। आने के बाद मुझे खुद ऑपरेशन कराने के बाद पूरा विश्वास हो गया कि इनके हाथों में बहुत शफा है, बहुत कुछ ये देश और दुनिया को दे सकते हैं।
দুটো অপারেশনই 26 ফেব্রুয়ারি একসঙ্গে হয়েছে।
আর আমি যখন ওটি থেকে বেরিয়েছি তখনই সবাই বলছে আমি কথা বলছি, আমার কোনো কষ্ট হয়নি। অপারেশনের দিন থেকে আমার কোনো অসুবিধে নেই, কোনো কষ্ট নেই। থার্ড দিনে আমাকে স্টিক নিয়ে ওয়াকিং করেছিল। ফিফথ দিন থেকে আমি এমনি হাঁটি, আমার স্টিক লাগে না, আমি এমনি হাঁটি, আমার কোনো ব্যথা হয়নি, কোনো অসুবিধা হয়নি, কোনো কিছু না আমার। আমি চাইবো দুটোই একসঙ্গে করুক, ফ্রি হয়ে যাবে মানুষ একসঙ্গেই কষ্ট থেকে। আর আমি সত্যি কথা বলতে আমি কলকাতা থেকে এসেছি এখানে করাতে, আমি খুব স্যাটিসফাইড, আমি অনেক আশা নিয়ে এসেছিলাম আর আমি খুব খুশি।
The experience was good, no pain at all from day one to the third day or fourth day that I got out of the hospital. It was more like a 5-star treatment I had. It was a holiday for me. I didn't feel like I was in the hospital. Thanks to Dr. Balaji. It was for both the knees
Together.
knee replacement together.
And when did you start going out?
I went to play on the 16th after the operation.
2 weeks after the operation.
In Taj, played for 4 hours non-stop.
Played what?
Piano for non-stop for 4 hours. It was 25th anniversary of Taj. I could not stop playing there. I could not, I want to take a break and all. I said, no, my leg is not paining. Doctor said, just tap your knee, it will be all right. I did that. I was happy.
હું પહેલા બહુ ગભરાતી હતી, 2 ઓપરેશન સાથે કરવાનું હતું. પછી ડૉક્ટરે મારી ભીડ મારી એ શું ભય મારો ભાંગી નાખ્યો કે મને હવે ફીલ જ નથી થતું કે મેં ઓપરેશન કરાવ્યું છે. બંને પગે સાથે કરાવ્યું, પણ બીજે દિવસથી હું સ્ટીક વગર ચાલતી થઈ ગઈ અને હું આરામથી કામ પણ કરી શકું છું, આરામથી ઘરમાં ચાલી પણ શકું છું. ચાલવામાં મને જરાય તકલીફ નથી, તો મેં સ્ટીકનો ઉપયોગ કર્યો નથી અને એક્સરસાઇઝ પણ હું મારી જાતે કરી શકું છું. મને 15 દિવસમાં હું એકદમ જાણે મને પોતે ઓપરેશન કર્યું જ નથી એવું ફીલ લાગે છે, એવું મને all these sizes once again. Okay. One will bend the knees.
2 years I suffered. I did not want to live. I couldn't move about. I was an athlete. I was a walker all my life, but once arthritis set in both my knees, I was gone. I said I told my wife, I did not want to live. I became a burden to her and I became a burden to myself. I went under slight depression. Fortunately, my sister invited me over to Bombay to get me examined. On meeting Dr. Balaji, he examined me and found both my knees required replacement. I asked him, Doctor, which knee should I replace? He told me both. He said, if you don't replace your knees, your spine is going to be affected. I was a very timid person. I was scared to go under any surgery. But after doing the surgery of my knee replacements, I had no pain. And Dr. Fahad, in the first day made me stand, the next day he made me walk, and the third day when I walked by myself, my wife thought that she's seeing a miracle. She couldn't realize that it was me walking. She thought a man who's over 6 feet was walking. And that is my story.
So
Thanks to Dr. Fahad, to Dr. Mullaji and his team, I am a new man today. I had no pains at all. I do not know what pain was.
So you did both your knees
I
surgery?
did both my knees simultaneously.
Do you advise people to get that?
Yes, I advise people, I said,
To get
this
both
is a
knees
chance,
together.
both your knees together. I've got my confidence back. I can walk, I can do whatever I want. I am a new man.
Mrs. Kishori Pradhan, and I was teaching in a college, Nirmala Niketan, and I got operated about 6 years back by Dr. Mullaji, and before that I had a terrible time. I was in tremendous pain. I was constantly on painkillers and just couldn't bear it. And whenever I was out in the malls or anything, I would just look for a place to sit down and park myself. It was horrible. And just couldn't do anything. Even walking a kilometer was a tremendous exercise for me. And then after that I met Dr. Mullaji, and he told me to get operated, both knees together. And I was quite confident while talking to him. So, but people really got scared, all my relatives. They said, why you want to get both the knees operated together? But then I said, okay, doctor has told me and I have confidence in him. And he did both the knees together, and I'm so thankful to him. And I would say all my blessings are with him, Whenever I'm doing anything, I'm thinking about him, and how wonderful I feel now. It's absolutely, I have no pain whatsoever. I can walk for, morning walks are about 4.5 kilometers. And I go parasailing. When we were in Thailand, I jumped into the sea, went snorkeling. Doing anything is like fine by me now, and I don't know how to thank him. And he advised me to do it as early as possible, so that, he said, why do you want to suffer? You can enjoy your life right now. And one thing I told him, that my children are married, so I want to really enjoy my grandchildren. And that's what I'm doing right now. And thank you so much to God and to Dr. Mullaji and his team. They did a wonderful job.